I'm here in Allen, Texas. Come to this customer's house and they were having problems with their dryer not drying their clothes properly. Come up into the attic and they said they had a booster fan that wasn't working properly. This booster fan, the tube itself that connects from here to over here has broken and wasn't allowing the air to catch to be able to turn the booster fan on. So that's one of the problems. And the other problem is the lint was built up inside on one edge. She was complaining that it was vibrating. So that lint built up on that one side will let it vibrate to the point where it gets pretty annoying. So these booster fans, they actually say in the manual that it should be cleaned out once a year because they do clog up pretty bad on the inside of them. So this one isn't as bad as the one that I had the other day. The other one that I had the other day was completely clogged up to the point where you couldn't even see the fan itself. So we're going to take this one out. We're going to replace it with a wire or a pipe and install a new booster fan later on that is a lot more efficient. And so we'll get this set for her so she can actually start drying laundry properly.